you think if it ain't got that swing?
Just how much